Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chloe, and this is my room. So you know how light switches, okay, there's not much light back here, but you know how light switches have this panel around them, and there's screws, and if you take off the screws, then it's just kind of things. Well, today I'm going to be taking off the white part and painting it. I'm going to put whatever design I want, no stencils. I'm doing this freehand, and I'll see you when I'm picking out my colors and supplies. Alright, so I just wanted to take a little break. You probably noticed something a little bit different, and that's because I just got this light, and the colors change, and it is so cool. Comment down below what your favorite color is. Now on to the picking of the colors. Okay, it's so bright. Ooh. Go red, boys. Oh, I'm a dead person. Okay, so alright, so I'm gonna pick all my colors and make this blue again because it's better. I'm trying to get this thing to blue. Okay, so I'm gonna be picking out my supplies. Okay, you guys can see in the basket, right? So I think the first thing I'm gonna get is my caddy. I have the caddy right here, and we're painting this in the garage, and that's why I'm putting it in the basket to bring it. I'm also gonna have to take that off. Don't know what colors to do. I'm not sure what colors I should do. Yeah, but I'm thinking I just do... Oh, so yesterday I did one, and I'm thinking I should do the same colors. Here, I'll show you. Right back there, that one, I painted that one yesterday. Not sure if I want to do like the same design. That one, it had nothing on it, but this one, the one I'm doing today, it has the lights. So the lights are gonna be white, so I gotta kind of either think of a way to incorporate those or just not really care at all about where those are. I'm not sure. Also, I haven't brushed my hair. Don't say anything about it in the comments. So I'm not sure if I should do the same colors, which are teal, purple, and white, or if I should add colors, like maybe I could bring in pink or dark blue. I think I'll do the same colors. I'll look through my drawer and see. Alright, the basket is filled, and I'll walk you through it. So I have my caddy, you know, it has like a bunch of things in it. So then I also brought these cups. Well, they're not really cups, but things. And what I do is, the paint is in a squeeze tube, so I squeeze some in there, and then if I need to save it, if I put too much, I just put a lid on. Alright. Then I brought 3 colors of paint. I brought teal, purple, and white. I think that's all I need. I have a pretty good idea of what I'm going to do. I'm just not sure if my handwriting is good enough to do it. We'll try though. Who cares? I can always paint back over if I want to. Then I also have like 4 things of paper towel, because I'm probably going to need it. I'm messy. One more thing I need is I need tape. You guys will see what I'm doing with that. Alright, I will see you in the garage, which is where I'm painting it. Okay, I am downstairs now. I'm on the stairs, but I'm gonna go in the garage and start painting it. So first I'm going to clean it with Windex and paper towels. Okay. Alright, so I'll get some paper towels. That way it's not nasty. It's probably good. I think. I don't know. I've never cleaned one of these before. Yay. This is good enough. Pretty big. Alright, so now so what I want to do first is, how I'm going to paint it is, I have the idea to split this down the middle with tape, do half turquoise and half purple, half turquoise, half purple, then do white C's, and that's what it does, all these colors. So, first things first, I need to split it in half with the tape. So I have the tape.
I'll work on it a little bit.
Put it down right in the middle.
Isn't testing supplies, instead it waits for results. Why narrow funding? These kind of a lot of us be saying, burning the seed size or something again, I think it was ethically predicted. They're going to get sick, and that's a problem obviously because we don't, but also because when they get sick among staff, that they can rely on hospital procedures to protect hospitals reported instances of disease.
So now I have it split down the middle, and I'm going to paint it. This half turquoise, and then I'm going to take the tape off and put and wait for that to dry, and then put tape down on the crease, and then paint the other half purple, and then put white C's on it. First, I'm going to put turquoise. Put the turquoise on it.
Well, sadly we aren't there. I mean, look, I think we're obviously seeing Trump still hasn't ordered manufacturers to produce what we need. The government still hasn't taken control on their own.
Now I painted turquoise.
However they can get. But telling 50 states you're on your own isn't a coordinated, coherent response to the situation we're in. One of other things, we have to have widespread ubiquitous testing. President boasts that anyone who wants a test can get a test. That report from his own government says that's not true. Effectively in the hospital. So I think those things, curb down, testing available, healthcare system in good shape, those are the preconditions for any steps.
So, heartbreaking. I know they actually
So
they're
now
there,
we
they
wait.
love each other so much. Where they share love for each other.
This painted.
I know
I don't know, wait for that to dry, and then do another coat.
And I, they're perfect couples, because even though they fight, at the
Then
end
I'll
of the
take
day,
off
they
the
still
tape.
choose each other. So they're
Wait for that to dry. Take off that tape, and then paint it.
stories that you barely see.
So now, we wait. We'll see when it's dry. Okay, so I have to crouch a little bit because I have the camera on that. But it isn't dry yet. It's getting there. And a lot of you guys are wondering, especially Ellery, but you're wondering where the 24-hour servant video is. That is coming out soon. By the time you're watching this video, it's already out. But it's out. And I think you're really gonna like it. And comment down below if I should do a part number 2 and do my closet light switch. Alright, I'll see you when this thing dries because it's taking forever. So I'll see you when it dries. Alright, it is dry now. I'm gonna put the second coat on, do the streaks, make sure it looks nice, and then rip the tape off. Satisfying. And if you guys hear all the bird chirping, because my garage door is open, not sure if you can see over there. It's just a little bit of ground. Alright, so I'm gonna put the second coat on. I'm hoping the tape is on all the way, because if it isn't, then it's not gonna look good. This is like my actual main light switch thingamabobber, so I'm actually trying to make it look nice. Like that other one, I wanted it to look nice, but I didn't really care this much. Like, I really care about this one. So if I mess up, I'm gonna be mad. Or if Connor, if you don't know who Connor is, it's my older brother. If Connor comes and messes this one up, I'm gonna be mad. Cause this is my main light switch. I can't really, I mean, I guess I could paint over it, but if he messes it up, I'm gonna be mad. Cause everyone's gonna see it. Alright, so most of you probably think I'm gonna stop this part here, but no. I'm gonna take a tiny brush, such as this one, because these brushes They're not really that good of brushes. They're Crayola. And it's a size 1. So, not that good. But look at the brush tip. I can still use that. So, I'm not using it for the brush. But what I'm doing is I'm going to take the tip and just kind of clear it off the edges. That way, when it dries, it's on the newspaper. Yeah, I'm just going to scrape it from the sides. Alright, and then you just put the brush back because you can use it again. Why do I feel like Matt Stoney right now? I'm not even eating food. Hello. Okay, coat number 2 is done. Let me pick it up and show you guys. This is coat number 2. I might do a third if I don't like Lucian. But all I see is a hair. There's a tiny little hair right there. But honestly, if you come into my room, you're not going to see it. Just got to get a little bit more for this edge. Then the second coat will be done. Alright, second coat's done. X marks the spot. Yeah. Okay, so basically, now both my dogs are here. Yay. Okay, so I have 2 coats on there, and I'll see you when that's dry. Now, we wait.
And out there, just taking this so late, and my siblings and I we continue to be behind each other, so it's really hard in that part. Oh, it's such a hard time. I know that it's not over yet, that you all still distancing from each other. You tell everybody to stay inside, to socially live in your home, because you don't want other people to have the same mouth that you have.
I'm still waiting for it to dry, and it's taking a while, but I think it's almost there. I'm just going to give it extra time, because when I put the tape on into the purple, I don't want any of it to rip out. Now, it's time to skateboard. Yes. It's almost dry, so I'll just wait now. It has dried. I see there's some parts, and there's still some gaps, so I think I'm going to do one more coat. Take this, and if that dries, I'll pull off the tape. So now I'm waiting for the third coat to dry, and I'm testing out my new mic. And the third coat is almost dry, and that's just for the streaks. And then I'll take off the tape and do the purple, and then once that dries, I'll do 2 more coats, and then I'll do all the white C's. So that clip you just saw was me testing out my new mic. It clips right there, so in future videos if you see a little red dot, it's just my mic. I'm probably not going to use it as much as I use the main one, but I just wanted to give a little update on the light switch. Okay, so this is the third coat, looking really good on the back. Now I'm going to move, but that doesn't matter because that's going to be facing the wall. So I think I'm going to rip the tape off now. I'm really hoping I didn't go over the line. Let's got this in. Take this from the back. I'm going to take this. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh boy. Oh boy. So this is what I have. Doesn't look as good as I thought it would. So this is what I have. I just peeled the tape off. So this side is gonna be, actually I'm kind of thinking I leave it white. It's not good for me though. I really like it white, but I feel like if I do it purple it'll put on. I'm gonna do it purple. Why not? Alright. So now this is the part I'm kind of scared for. I have to put tape there, so when I do the purple it doesn't go over. So that might rip, I feel like it's gonna maybe rip some of the paint off, which I'm really nervous about. Bella, what are you doing in the wood? No, what? Hey, Okay. The tape is hard to rip. Okay. So, putting this down right where it ends. And you probably can't tell from here, but I left a little tiny bit. Probably still can't even see, but I left a little tiny amount of turquoise right there to put the purple over here so it looks better. Time of the purple. If this rips off the turquoise, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, got that. So, purple. I need a container. Purple. Container. Lid. Purple. Shake. Alright. I'm going to pour a little bit of purple into the container. Just a little bit. Well, actually, I might more than that. Alright. Got that. Now, I just... if I dip this in there. This is really odd strokes. I'm gonna clean this brush up, and I'll get back to you when I actually start painting purple. Okay, got the brush cleaned up. Now I'm gonna test just to make sure. I don't want any turquoise on the purple side. That's my goal. Alright, fine. I'm really hoping that tapes down. I really, Okay. The paint, oh my gosh, it's such a pretty purple. Wait, I should have known this. I did it yesterday. I'm really hoping it doesn't go over the line, because if it does, then either, well, no, I can't redo it because that's darker. Yeah, I can't redo it. It'll just be messed up because I can't put, like, purple is darker than turquoise, so I can't put it over. Now I just have to wait for the purple to dry. Alright, it is all dry. My sunglasses are here for some reason. Okay, so it's all dry. There's a little bit of turquoise right on the purple side, which I'm mad about, but I think I'll cover it up with the design I'm doing, which is not seeds. I have decided to instead put something else. I still don't know what that is, that something else is. I'm thinking maybe like stripes on one, polka dots on the other, or not really sure what to do. This is what I have. I put tape so I can cover up the crease with white paint. That way it looks better. So now, paint. So, take this, shake it. Use this brush. Now we wait for the white line to dry, and then we might do another coat. I'm still waiting. Yeah, I'll see you when it's dry. Okay, the white is dry, so I'm going to do another coat of white, and then I think it'll be good by then.
Continue to process better clearance and better understanding of your, what a better credit card?
Now I just wait for that coat to dry, and then I put the paint on. I just did a third coat on the white. I just finished the third coat of white paint in the middle to cover the crease, and I've done 3 coats there. I'm waiting for the third to dry because I just put it on, but then we can take the tape off and hopefully it looks good. Give it a right there, and then just wait to the middle. And then after that, I think I'm just going to leave it and not do any design because I like it how it is. Alright, so let's try. Now, we wait. I almost fell. I'm going to attempt a trick. Probably not going to work. All I did was jump. I didn't even really do a trick, but yeah. I'm switching to the scooter because, actually, one more, then I'm switching.